In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Notion app from your smartphone. It's pretty simple, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To permanently remove Notion from your smartphone, for my case, I'm on Android, just go to your app and long press on it and you should see uninstall here. However, if you can't see the uninstall option, then you can uninstall your app from Google Play Store if you're on Android. So go open Android and then tap on search icon here, then search for your app by name. So I'll search for Notion like that, and then I'll run the search. As you can see, we have our Notion app here, and we have an option to uninstall it. By tapping on uninstall, this will remove the app completely from your smartphone. Now, if you go back to your phone like this and check for Notion app, as you can see, it has been completely removed. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Notion app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.